Welcome. In this particular video, I want to show to you how to make Google love your website. The number one thing you need to do to make sure that Google loves your website is to do what we call keyword research. And how do you do keyword research? With a free tool also from Google. So that free tool is called Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner. This is the interface. How do I get here? I already have an account with Google Ads. So you should type in Google Ads into your words. If this is your first time, you should search for Google Ads on using Google search engine. So that is obvious. So once you click on that, you would be able, your interface will not be this, or you have an interface, the display result that gives you the ability to sign up for a Google account. And sometimes they may also need you to put in your billing system before the account become active. So that kind of process, you can actually Google on it and see description video on how to open a Google account. But what I want to show you today has to do with Google Keyword Planner, which is a tool under the Google Ads. So you can sign up for Google Ads for free, and once you sign up for free, you can come to other tools. You have different tools here, but this is the one we want to use. So this is the interface it's going to bring to you, and from this you can now search for keywords that you are going to sprinkle around the content of the pages of your website, and thereby when Google index and when Google crawl your website and they see this keyword, they are going to position your website in accordance to these keywords that they are found on your website. So by this way, you are going to match your own interest with the interest of Google. You have interest for those keywords. Google also have interest that he has interest for websites that will display such keywords. So, and this is also one of the number one mistake many web designers out there do use to make. They design websites without giving cognizance into making research about how to generate traffic, what keywords will generate traffic for the website they are about to design. So that is not going to be anymore once you follow and you implement what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. So here I come, for example, I have this website that I'm designing, and has to do with vocational study in Leeds, UK, United Kingdom. So I will come here because I want to search for the keywords that are related to this particular website, or the services and the products that this particular website is dealing with. So I will come here, and first I'm in Nigeria and I don't want to search in Nigeria. Yes, the language is English, I will leave it at that, but I want to change the country. So I will check for United Kingdom here. So you check for your country, or you change to your country if that's not the country you want to search for. So I will come to United Kingdom. So let's click on this second. Okay, so then this first result, I will take it off, and then I will save. And once I save this, I want to search for vocational study, and then I want to get results. You see English United Kingdom. I want to get results about this. So let's move on. Get results. So okay, you want to take this off, and then you want to make sure that you have keyword, you are able to get the the results. So this one, I have not seen this result before. Okay, you can also expand the results. Do you understand? You can expand the results, and once you expand the results, you can at the same time add more suggestion to the result that display for you, so that you'll be able to get more results of what it has brought for you. So I can add vocational study. I can also add okay, let me add a website, because I do not like the fact that it's just giving me something that is maybe it's not giving much suggestion. So let's add this. So we had this, and then we have much more results. And once you have these results, then you have like you're having a pool of good mine information at your disposal, and you can sprinkle this around your website. You will know the keywords to use on your website. Do you understand? So once you are done with this, you can then download this particular results. You can download this particular result for better view and for record purposes. So let's go up here, keyword view. Okay, where do we have keyword view? Okay, no, I'm looking for where to have the ability to download this. Okay, let's shift this and see. So there should be okay, maybe because I have expanded this. Let me collapse this. Let's collapse this, so that maybe we can have access to what we want. Okay, so this is the icon I'm looking for. You click on it and you download it to Google Sheets, and you can give it the name. You say, okay, let's say stay keyword research. Then I will download it to my drive, and with this report you have a good mind of information of the keywords to be using in your blog, on your pages, and you're writing the copy, and then make Google to love your website. This is how to do it. If you need help for me to do it for you, consider giving me a DM, then I will get it done for you for free. So for free you can get it done for yourself. So bye bye, and see you in the next video.